Hey everybody, welcome back. Today we're making the Black-Eyed Susan cocktail. Now this drink is to the Preakness what the Mint Julep is to the Kentucky Derby. Now the Preakness was last Saturday, but we're making the signature drink, the Black-Eyed Susan cocktail. Now here's what you're going to need. You're going to need some orange juice, fresh squeeze if you got it, fresh squeezed pineapple juice if you have it. If not, these will do. You're going to need some vodka. You're going to need some light rum, not necessarily Bacardi, and you're going to need some premium orange liqueur. I like Cointreau. It goes great with our jalapeno margs. All right, so let's make this drink. I have the ingredients pre-measured out so that it goes a little quicker. We've got half a cup of orange juice, and we're going to mix these in a shaker. Half a cup of pineapple juice, 1 shot of vodka, 1 shot of light rum, and 1/2 shot premium orange liqueur. We're using Cointreau, as I mentioned. I'm just going to give this a good shake. Good shake here. And we're going to pour this in crushed ice. It's better in crushed ice. Fill that right up. We're going to garnish with a fresh orange slice. It's a big orange for this glass. And we're going to garnish with not 1, but 2 Luxardo Cherries. The reason we're using 2 is because if you've had these things, you know these are the bomb for garnishing a mixed drink. And there we are. Check that out. All right, so that's a gorgeous looking drink right there. We got premium Luxardo Cherries. All the stuff in here sounds good. Let's give this a taste. Wow. This almost could be a Caribbean drink. This is very refreshing. You get a really good taste of the orange and the pineapple in there. Amazing, amazing drink. I know why the Preakness took this. So let's have our drink. Let's go bet some horsies. Run, horsies, run! Thanks for stopping. I hope you like this video. Click that thumbs up, like my video, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and thanks for stopping. Have a great day.